What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the dividend payout history of any stock, fund, ETF, REIT, or anything that's trading on the market. Whatever you want to look up, you could easily find the history, continuing a detailed list of payouts, giving you the dates and ex-dividend date of each payout, as well as how much they paid out, and you could even find the yield through this. Now, you may be wondering that this is pretty simple to do, but in my opinion, a lot of other websites may have this data wrong, or they just don't update it frequently enough. But I have found this to be the best way and most accurate website. I've just launched my Google app here. You could use Safari or even on a web browser if you want to. And what you're going to do is search the name of the company, either the stock ticker or the company itself, followed by dividend history after that. So for this example, I am using O, also known as Realty Income. And after that, you should see right at the top of the screen there, the NASDAQ website. That is what you're going to go to. In my opinion, that is the easiest way to find the dividend history as well as the yield. Fairly simple, as it's constantly being updated based on the price itself. And once you jump on the website there, you just scroll down a little bit and you can see at the bottom there, it has a detailed list of all the payouts with their dates. And if you even scroll a little bit to the left there, you can see the ex-dividend date, as well as a bunch of different dates that you would know, as well as the cash amount. And then even above that is the dividend yield itself. In my opinion, this is just the simplest way to do it, and you could do it with any stock ticker, and it's going to give you the same amount of information, or even ETFs or index funds. If you choose whatever you want to look up, you could easily find on the NASDAQ website right here. And that is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions about this video or anything else regarding dividends, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you did find this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.